The Meghalaya Police Open Badminton Championship had kick-started today, the 17th of June 2022, at the Police Indoor Sports and Recreational Centre, Police Reserve, Shillong. The Director General of Police Meghalaya, R Bishnoi, had graced the occasion as chief guest in the presence of the DIGER, the AIGA, the SSP Shillong, the SP City and other officials of the police department besides participating teams in the championship. 22 teams of 44 shuttlers that include one team from the CBI and the rest from various units of the Meghalaya Police will be taking part in the three-day event. While addressing the gathering, R Bishnoi stated that badminton, a sport for all ages, is a great way to escape the stress of daily life.
As we all know, sports is one activity which can create not only physical fitness, but it can increase your social circle. It can improve the team spirit and make it healthy and better human being. By keeping these objectives in view, we are organizing this doubles competition. There is no lack of talents as far as sports is concerned in Meghalaya, in general, and Meghalaya Police in particular. So we have to showcase that talent. Initially we expected massive participation, but because of continuous rain and landslide of many places, the many participants, particularly from western districts, are not able to attend to this. But still, for 22 teams, this is beyond our expectations. In small states like Meghalaya, 22 teams are participating. It shows your enthusiasm for the sport. As we all know, Meghalaya, not only Meghalaya, the whole country is a great power deadly threat. And 26th June every year is observed as an International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Meghalaya is a transit point, and unfortunately many youths are resorting to drug abuse, and drug addiction is continuously on the rise. Although it's problem for many decades, but after 2000, a tremendous increase is noted in the number of drug addicts in Northeast India, and particularly in Gujarat